In this video, I'm gonna show you how to take a full page screenshot on iPhone Air. In places like websites, you can take a full page screenshot, so it'll not only screenshot just what you see, it'll screenshot the whole page. And I'm gonna show you that. Later on, I'll also show you how you can do it in other apps that don't really support it. But first, let's try doing it here. So to do it here, you need to click on Power and Volume App at the same time to take the screenshot. Then select full page. Now, by sliding here, you can simply see the whole page, right? So what was screenshotted. If you want, you can click here to crop the page. So I'm gonna crop down maybe all of these. So I just have the top part like that. And now I can approve it. Click on OK. And now I have the full page, so I can simply click on X here, and that should technically get saved to, not to my gallery, but to my files, right? So in Files, if I go to Browse or wherever, I don't really know where it gets saved, to be honest. Probably somewhere here. Let's try sorting it by date. Okay, I don't really see it. I'll try going to preview instead. It's still not there. Maybe I didn't save it. I'm not really sure whether I did or not. Okay, let's just try the full one. Yeah, and I can either save it to photos or save as PDF to files. So I'll save it to photos, and now if I go to the Photos app, I'll have it right here. Now, what if you want to screenshot something that isn't really supported by the full page? For example, if I go to Settings, if I want to screenshot them, you can see I don't have the full page option. So in that case, you would need to download a certain app for your full page screenshot. So we can just search, for example, for like scroll screenshot, and let's see. And there are lots of different apps. I haven't really used them for really long, so I'm not really I don't really remember which apps were good then, and I don't know if there are better apps now, so I'm just gonna get one of them. And the apps may be different because they may be either just apps that will take several screenshots then stitch them, and there are also apps that will actually record your screen, and that way they will stitch everything. So now I'll allow access to my photos. And now let's try going to Settings. Let's try taking a few overlapping screenshots. Actually, for this, it's worth disabling this option to always show the screenshot on the full screen, but I'll do it later because it's kind of annoying when I need to click on it each time, and it can be done automatically. Okay, let's save them, and now let's go to the app. Let's see if it discovers it. Okay, you can see it has stitched everything, almost everything. Okay, now it's also almost everything. So yeah, this app isn't the best, but it did something. It did stitch them a little bit. I can share them. I can, for example, save them. I can save this one as well. And now we'll see in the Photos app this is the original screenshot. These are the original screenshots. Then this is the new one. Of course, there's some watermark at the bottom. I can just crop it in editing, right? And now this is how it works. Now if I were to go to I can't really stitch them now two together, but yeah, as I said, some other apps will actually record screen and then stitch it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.